Thank you for waking me up. I feel full of energy. Here are today's specials. Would you like to come in and have a try?
Hello.
Hi, how's it going?
Anything special for today?
Follow me, please. New guest here. This is table 2. Please have a seat. The house special steak cooked in the secret recipe is highly recommended. Would you like to have a try? I'm going to work. Here's your meal. Enjoy your meal. Low battery. Excuse me. Charging. See you tomorrow.